Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. So, let me tell you the story. So a colleague of mine at work asked me if I could have a look at his car. His car is a 2008, I think it is, Saab 9.3 with the 1.9 TTDi or something like that. Anyways, the 1.9 diesel engine used on Vauxhalls and stuff. The car doesn't start, and it comes up with a fault for oh, actually I'll put right here a picture of a screenshot of the fault. So that was the fault. The car starts after insisting a little bit. It starts, it runs for like 5 seconds, and it cuts off, and it comes up with that code. If you clear the code will go away until the engine starts. I removed the ECU. The ECU doesn't look very good, as you can see. One bolt even snapped. I couldn't take it off. That holds the ECU to the bracket, and I couldn't get it to run. I measured all the wires from the ECU to the injectors, etc. All checked out, no shorts, no nothing. So I do strongly believe this is my problem. So we're gonna open the ECU and see what we can do, really. See if we can find anything. And I think I find my issue, guys. As I was cleaning this rust, look at that. There's 2 holes to inside the module. Okay, let's carry on opening and see what's inside of this. But it's gonna look like water damage. Do I need to say much more, guys? Oh dear. Okay, let's finish to take these off. Look at that. Okay, so oh dear. Let's clean it and see how it looks. Okay, let's clean this and see how it looks. Okay guys, let me show you this. Look at that. So this lane here comes through here. You're supposed to come to here. Oh, this is missing. This one, I don't think it comes to this one. I think it just comes from here to here, and then it goes down. Because you can see it cuts through there, so I don't think this was connected. But yeah, so this one is actually completely gone. That's it. And these holes here that goes into the other side, they are also gone, so there's no contact anymore. So we're going to separate these 2 parts now, look at the other side, and just try to redo these lanes. I'm going to quick measure these, make sure. But I can guarantee one of these is going to go, because it comes through here. It looks like it comes somehow into the drivers on the other side, maybe. And it comes to my injectors by the looks of it. I'm not really sure, but okay, let's repair this. Let's separate these and see how it is. Okay, so I brought the phone down a little bit, but this area here, as you can see, my damaged area is underneath there. So we're gonna have to clean this so we can see exactly where it goes, so we can repair this the way I've showed you in the past. Put some wires through the holes, soldered on both sides, blah 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 blah. So let's clean this and look better at the damage. Okay, another thing that I've seen, guys, as I was cleaning and touching, let's see if the phone captures, this diode here, I think it's a diode, is completely separate from the board. Don't know if you can see. Look at that. So we're gonna have to remove it, and I think maybe better to actually replace this. Yeah, it's better to replace this. So let's gonna get our tools running. And to be honest, I think it's going to be fixable and quite easy. To be honest, I think it's going to be fixable and quite easy. Okay, so because I know some of you like to see this, I don't really see the point, but let's remove this thing first. Let me get all these tables. Everything is a mess around here, guys. Absolutely a mess. Where is my pedal? As you can see, all full of corrosion underneath. Dear. Oh yeah, let me see the orientation before I mess up. Okay, I got you. Okay, let's clean these again. Okay, so we are going to clean these in order to remove any corrosion, any green stuff. We're gonna have to remove everything, okay? Last thing we want is to leave some. And then that some starts to corrode everything again. So this part here looks good, where the solder was. All these contacts back here, they look good, there's no corrosion, so it's just here. This one there is clean, it's clean. Actually, it doesn't look clean. Hold on. Okay, another issue. I'm gonna have to put these under the microscope because I don't know if you can see there. I don't know how good the light is gonna be. It's gonna be crap as usual. Okay, you can't really because of the shadow. Okay, but you can see this capacitor here. This lane that runs here at the bottom, it gets to the end and is all corroded. So this lane here connects to the end of this capacitor, is all gone. So let's remove this capacitor as well. And see what we have. It's completely loose on that hand as well. Okay, let me see if I can show you. There we go. See there? The lane has no connections to the other side, but definitely the part there is completely gone. There's pretty much nothing to attach to. It's gonna be a little bit of work around here, so we're gonna have to put a wire from maybe there to the end of the capacitor. Okay, the capacitor is gonna get a new one because this one is too corroded, I guess. Yeah, it's crap. Okay, let's start to repair this, and then I think I will show you just the result now. There's no point for me to be here show you soldering wires. I'll just show you the end results, and I guess that's it really. Okay. Oh guys, it's really hot today. There's no advertising, but they are really nice. So, as I said, or as I was saying, let's fix this. Okay, and the ECU is repaired. Don't know how good it's gonna look. So from here goes to those two holes in there, goes to the other side. There's a jumper here, as you can see, from this capacitor, because that lane was corroded. From here comes from the other side. All these was gone, so goes to there. And then obviously on this side, so 2 comes onto here, the other 3 they come here, and I think that's it. I've been inspecting the board quite thoroughly, and I can't see nothing else corroded other than this. It was the only place, so hopefully this has fixed my problem. There's just one last thing I want to do before I close the ECU. I'm gonna have to repair that hole because I can't find. I'm gonna look a little bit further, a little bit more, see if I find a used cover that can fit on the ECU. Otherwise, we'll have to find a way to seal that hole because I don't have any other covers. So, but there's just one more thing I want to do before do that. Hey guys, and this is what I wanted to do before I actually go and close the ECU. This can actually be done through OBD, but obviously I don't have the car here and I have the ECU here opened and ready to do it. So the reason why I'm doing it is in case if this doesn't work or whatever, if I need to replace the ECU, I don't need to go back and read the ECU again. So I'm here ready. All I need to do really is get a ECU and flash it with the maps and the EEPROM. The reason why I'm flashing the maps is because this car has been flashed, has been remapped in the past, and the guy asked me if he replaced the ECU, if he could keep the same map. So there we go. That's what we're doing now. So 50% now. So yeah, we're gonna back up the maps and then we back up the EEPROM, and then yes, I will close the ECU and we'll see if this works. Today is Saturday. I still have some time to pop in there and try to fit the ECU back in. It would be great, but we'll see how it goes. Guys, and I literally just left home. The ECU for the Saab is here, closed and ready to be fitted. I know the guy wants the car for the weekend, so I'm gonna take the top down, the RT-pad with me, just to have a quick look, see what I can do on it. It's been a really busy day, so in the morning I went 7 o'clock in the morning to diagnose the Saab, did the Passat with the crash sensor, wait for the parts, did the Volvo with the DPF sensor, waiting for parts, repaired the ECU, and just left now to put the ECU in place. It's about 7 o'clock now, so I should be home for about 9, hopefully. But yeah, it's been a really busy day. But yeah, on the way back I'll let you know if it works. I might take a couple of pictures there, or I'll make a couple clips or whatever. But yeah, guys, let's gonna see if my fix worked. And I'm nearly there, guys, nearly there. Already fitted. Let's gonna see if it starts. And just to let you know, no, that didn't work. I still had it on starter. Because that is far away from home, I just couldn't be back and forth with ECU. So this is actually the second ECU the owner of the car got me. The first one, as I was cleaning the ECU before I opened it, it was 2 massive holes. This one is the second one. It has a small hole in there. You can see there on the inside that water already was getting through, as you can see in there. The ECU, however, is still quite cleaned. But all we're going to do now is I'm going to back up this ECU before I do anything. But once we back up the ECU, we're going to write the flash and the EEPROM I've saved from the original ECU into this, and then we'll try again, see if it works this time. Okay, and I backed up the ECU, although I didn't really have interest, but it's always good to have a backup of original maps. And I'm now writing the files I saved. I'm writing the flash first, then we'll write the EEPROM, which hopefully will have all the immobilizer settings and all the car settings, etc. And that's it, job done. Now I'm going to clean this, seal this little hole, close the ECU, and let's gonna have another go, see if he starts this time. Right, I really hope it stops raining by the time we get there. This time I didn't close the ECU. I'm taking the silicone with me. The writing of the flash and EEPROM was reported as successful, but I don't know. Just in case if I need to reflash it again or something like that, we'll see how it goes. So I'm just about to leave home. So yeah, let's try this again, see if it works this time. Okay guys, clear the codes. No codes came back. However, the codes used to come back once you start the engine or you try to start the engine. So there is an issue with the alarm system, but yeah, let's see what happens now. And there he is, guys, running. As you can see, it started first time. So now I'm gonna remove the ECU again, seal it, because as you've seen, it's not sealed yet. So it's just covered with some cardboard so no rain gets to it. I need to put some bits together around the engine that some people has been taken off, etc. But yeah, we got it done, guys. So I think that's it for this video, really. Let's just quick check if there's any codes. No codes. Right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Unfortunately, I couldn't repair the original ECU, but we transferred the data from the original ECU into a donor and we got the car running. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope there's some information here you guys are gonna enjoy it. If you still have any questions, any comments, please put them below, and like always, thanks for watching.